Here all stay safe. I hope all goes well. I wish you well during this challenging time. Hope everyone keeps distance for break the chain. We know the coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people, and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes, so it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette, for example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. To prevent infection and to slow transmission of COVID-19, do the following: wash your hands regularly with soap and water, or clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people. So in this situation we talk about kitchen hygiene and sanitation. Nowadays it is an important role. Introduction. Safely managed water, sanitation and hygiene services are an essential part of preventing and protecting human health during infectious diseases outbreaks like COVID-19 pandemic. Utmost care has to be given in the kitchen area and its cleaning to prevent all sorts of contamination. Now let us look at areas where kitchen hygiene must be practiced. Some points to keep in your mind. Kitchen is a hotspot when it comes to bacteria and parasites. In order to prevent foodborne illness, thus good kitchen hygiene is a must. Some points to remember are: first point, wash your hands. Second point, the food handlers must be careful to constantly wash your hands, especially before and after touching meat and after visiting toilets. Third point, wash your hands after touching the kitchen bins. And last point is, use antibacterial handwashes constantly. Wash your hands using soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Second point is proper food storage. Bacteria always multiply if one forgets to properly store food. Food already cooked when kept in refrigerator should be in room temperature or temperature below it. Always pre-check the date before using the food items. Third point is cleaning the vegetables. In this time of COVID-19 outbreak, the food handlers must be very careful while handling vegetables. One must wash hands before touching the vegetables and after the vegetables have been cleaned. Rinse well the vegetables in running water. There is no need to use soap detergent or produce wash, you just need to wash the veggies in running water. When coming to root vegetables, cleaning can be done using brushes or sponges. 4. Cleaning up and down. To facilitate effective cooking, effective cleaning is a must. One must be careful with the chopping boards, as chopping boards carries more fecal bacteria compared to an average toilet seat. So cutting boards must be kept spick and span to avoid any form of contamination. How to clean your chopping board effectively? Mix 1 tablespoon of bicarb soda, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of water to form a paste. Give your chopping boards a good scrub with the paste, then rinse thoroughly with hot water and dry. For even more effective cleaning, use vinegar and lemon juice. Damp kitchen sponges and brushes should be kept dry or the bacteria in it will multiply. Try to use separate cutting boards for meat and vegetable to prevent cross-contamination. Fifth point is clean the kitchen sink and oven. Clean the sink on a daily basis. Once in a week, fill up the sink with hot or lukewarm water completely and scrub using bleach to disinfect it. After using oven each time, remove the dirt using warm water and cloth. Last point, maintain the kitchen fridge and freezer. At least once in a month, use warm water and soap to clean the fridge shelves. Prevent ice from forming in the freezer. Defrost the freezer once in a month. So we conclude this section. Kitchen hygiene is the most important thing that should be considered while working in the kitchen. As well as sanitation also comes secondly in the kitchen. Sanitation and hygiene mainly attracts the customer, so we have to mainly focus on this two term. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe, and break the chain.